Welcome back, Crammers, to question 19. Write 1200 as a product of powers of its prime factors. Show your working theory. Now, first off, that means we have to make a product tree. What does this mean? We have to find two values that, when multiplied, equal 1200. And first off, I can see that it's 600 times 2. Now, 2 is a prime factor, which means that it can only be divided by itself and 1. So we can actually end the branch right here by drawing a circle. But 600 can be divided further. It can be 10 times 60. 10 can be 5 and 2, but these are prime factors, so we end the tree here. And 60 can be 6 and 10. 6 can be 3 and 2. Those are prime factors, we end there. And 10 can be 5 and 2. Now, we have to write it as a product of powers of its prime factors. So we simply look for the smallest value, which is 2, and we count how many times it's repeated. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2 to the power of 4. We look for the next value, which is 3. Now it's only repeated once, so it's to the power of 1. But if it's to the power of 1, we don't actually have to write that. Now, the next value is 5. There's 1 5, there are 2 5. So it's 5 to the power of 2. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.